Hi guys, it's Isla. I'm happy to be back and thank you so much for the warm reception for my last two videos. I really appreciate it. I'm just recording right now to talk to you about requests. And what I'm about to say makes me basically feel like the worst human being on earth, so bear with me, please. I get a ton of requests sent to me privately to do specific things in videos, which is totally awesome. And it just really flatters me that people love what I do so much that they want me to do more of it, and that they would love for me to cater even more to specific things that they're into. I just think that's like one of the most flattering things, which is why it absolutely makes me feel like a horrible person to say this. From now on, for requests, I'm going to have to start charging a fee. That sounds awful coming out of my mouth. I'm not setting up a website. I'm not going into business for myself. There's no www.isladeflores sneezes for millions of dollars .xxxx. Basically, a lot of the reason that I've been gone for so long is that I've had a lot of health problems, and I have, as a result, a lot of medical bills to pay, to be quite honest. And this is a way for me to do it, first of all. And second of all, this is a way for me to get in all of the requests that I get plausibly, because it does take a lot of work, and there's some stuff that maybe is a little outside my comfort zone, and that I feel like, you know, I really do need some kind of a little bit of compensation for. I know it's sort of outside the spirit of what we try to do in our community of sharing, and I'm not going to price gouge anybody. It's not going to be like, yeah, $100 for 3 minutes. Like, no, we're not doing that. I'll look at everybody's individual request and, you know, think about how much time and effort it will take me. Again, how much outside my comfort zone it is, if at all, and totally negotiate a price which you can just like send to my PayPal, and like that's it. And then I can send you the video privately. If you want me to post it publicly, I can do that too. But that's just gonna be how I deal with requests from now on. And oh my god, I hate myself, and I'm so sorry, and please forgive me. Obviously, the great thing about this is you do not have to do anything about it. You do not have to send me requests. And I'm still going to make videos. And definitely what could happen is that I might make a video that fulfills your wildest dreams anyway, and you won't have to pay a cent. Yay! Yes, so I am really sorry about this. I never thought that I would be doing this, and it's a little weird and feels a little gross, and I really hope that you guys don't think less of me. So that's the sitch. If you have a request that you would like me to do, just send it my way and we can work out the details. And I really love you all and feel very loved by you, and I hope to just stay in this wonderful community for as long as possible, and hopefully not disappear again anytime soon. Okay, bye guys. Thank you.